Want to take your restaurant to the next level? It all starts with changing your way of thinking. Today, I'll show you how adopting a growth mindset can transform your business. Hey there, Restaurant Pro. This is Dave Scott Peters, restaurant expert, coach, and creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. I've seen how powerful a change in mindset can be. Today, we're going to talk about adopting a growth mindset, why it's crucial for your restaurant success, and how you can start making the shift today. So let's get started. If you've been following me for any length of time, you have heard me talk about a growth mindset. But even if that's the case, I promise you it will be worth you sticking around with me for this whole video. First, let's define what a growth mindset is. Coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, a growth mindset is the belief that, abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. It's the opposite of a fixed mindset, which assumes abilities are static and unchangeable. A growth mindset fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Instead of settling for the status quo, you and your team will consistently look for ways to enhance service, improve dishes, and streamline operations. With a growth mindset, challenges are seen as opportunities to learn and grow rather than insurmountable obstacles. This resilience helps you navigate the inevitable ups and downs of running a restaurant. A growth mindset encourages experimentation and innovation. When you believe that you can learn and improve, you're more likely to try new things, whether it's a new menu item, a different marketing strategy, or a novel way to enhance customer experience. Employees in a growth-oriented environment feel more valued and motivated. They're encouraged to develop their skills and take on new challenges, leading to higher job satisfaction and retention. So how do you cultivate a growth mindset? Step 1, embrace challenges. Start by embracing challenges rather than avoiding them. When you face a difficult situation, ask yourself what can be learned from it and how you can grow. Encourage your team to do the same. Step 2, learn from criticism. View feedback as a valuable tool for growth instead of taking criticism personally. Use it to identify areas for improvement. Foster an environment where constructive feedback is welcomed and acted upon. Step 3, celebrate effort and progress. See, we need to shift our focus from outcomes to effort and progress made. Celebrate the hard work and dedication your team puts into their roles and recognize incremental improvements no matter how small they are. Step 4, encourage lifelong learning. Promote a culture of continuous learning. Provide opportunities for team to develop new skills and gain knowledge. This could be through workshops, online courses, or industry conferences. Step 5, model the growth mindset. You need to lead by example. Show your team that you're committed to personal and professional growth. Share your own learning experiences and demonstrate how you've overcome challenges. Adopting a growth mindset can transform your restaurant by fostering a culture of continuous improvement, resilience, and innovation. It not only enhances your business operation, but also boosts team morale and engagement. Thank you for watching. Remember, the journey to successful restaurants starts with the right mindset. Embrace the growth mindset today and watch your business thrive. Be sure to join me live every Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific time on YouTube, travel schedule permitting, where I'll get you pumped about the upcoming weekend, get you excited about crushing your goals and finding the motivation to be best you possible. Plus, I'll answer your burning questions live.